Sometimes in life, you come across someone whose story touches your heart in ways you never expected. Today, I have the absolute honor of introducing you to one of those people, Tanyana Lin. She was born with a sight, but in her 20s, a tragic gas accident left her visually impaired. Life tested her in every way imaginable, but through it all, she held onto her faith, raised a beautiful family with 2 children and 3 grandchildren, and never lost the joy in her heart or the smile on her face. Tanyana Lin's story is one of strength, resilience, and deep inspiration. And while she shares some of her journey with us today, she is also going to show us how to make a famous Korslose milk tart, a crustless milk tart that is just as warm and comforting as she is. So grab a cup of tea and let's get started. You don't want to miss this.